Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Lodi, student of Jaipuria Institute of Management Indore, and today I'm going to give a presentation on Starbucks coffee. The contents are introduction, history of a company, vision, mission, strategy, SWOT analysis, and 5 P's of marketing. Introduction of a company. Starbucks is an American coffee company and a coffee house chain. It was founded in Seattle, Washington in 1971. Starbucks is a founder of most famous coffee around the world. It is successful company selling coffees and has been very attractive many peoples. The history of a company. The first Starbucks opened in Seattle Pike Place Market in 1971. In 1981, Howard Circles recognized a great opportunity and began working with founder Jerry Bedwin. Skulls left Bedwin to open his own and raise money from the investor to purchase an Italian coffee house, Gronel. The company experienced rapid growth, going public in 1992 and growing tenfold by 1997 with location around in the United States, Japan, and Singapore. The company grew the largest roaster in Washington with multiple locations until the early 1980s. The vision of the company. The being premier per hour means the Starbucks coffee want to achieve leadership in providing a product, especially coffee of the best quality. Analysts and critics point out the coffee of McDonald's or Dunkin' Donuts may be better than Starbucks coffee in some aspects. These principles include ethical conduct and warm culture. Mission of the Starbucks. Starbucks coffee inspire the nurture human spirit starting with its employee. At Starbucks employee, customer first name are used. The one at the person at a time component of mission statement shows that the firm ensure meaningful impact on every employee. Strategies. The business strategy of Starbucks are Starbucks has implemented a differentiation strategy to attract customer their competition. They know that can count on the genuine service and inviting atmosphere, and they pride themselves of coffee house atmosphere. Marketing strategy. Today, due to implementation of successful of their market strategy, they are the leading competitors of the coffee and snack shop industry. Now, the SWOT analysis of Starbucks, the strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Talking about the strengths of the Starbucks, international knowns, efficiency, effectiveness, high quality of product, Starbucks experiences, and strong response relationships, Starbucks global responsibility strategy. Talking about the weakness of the Starbucks depend on the relationship, health, health effect, natural disaster, regional or global health. Opportunities, expansion retail, launch new product, scope for international growth, using of technologies. These are the opportunities. Threat, supply and price of coffee, large number of competition. As you all know, Starbucks has many competitors and economic condition. Now talking about 5 P's of marketing, product, price, place, promotion, and people. Talking about the products of Starbucks, they serve drinks like espresso, Starbucks latte, Starbucks mocha, Starbucks cappuccino, and Tezzo teas. In fresh foods, they serve salad, sandwich, yogurt, fruit cups, and muffins. They also sell their merchandise, mugs, tea brewing equipments, accessories, packaging goods, and gift books. These are the products of the Starbucks. Now talking about the price. On September 22, 2010, Starbucks announced to raise their price. Starbucks expect to maintain or lower the price of some most popular beverage. Unlike the coffee, tea price are not based on the size, place. The coffee holding company is located in New York. Starbucks has branches in many countries like Singapore, Canada, Japan, Australia, Argentina, and other. Starbucks coffee and tea were available approximately 39,000 groceries warehouse club stores and 33,000 of in US and 5,500 in international market. Coffee and tea brand products sold worldwide. Now, talking about the promotion, Starbucks started as a community website and where the website uh, designed to collect some Starbucks ideas. Now, talking about the promotion, Starbucks started community website. The Starbucks idea designed to collect suggestion and feedback from the customer. Starbucks reward program allowed members to earn free drinks after every 15 purchase. The company has created a community atmosphere among premium coffee lovers. In 2001, Starbucks introduced the Starbucks card. People, customer meet you, customer where they want to meet. Think mobile is not a great idea. The people, the people at the time of component and mission statement show that the firm ensure the meaningful impact every employee and the customer. These are the these this is the presentation is about Starbucks and thank you.